There's a fascinating trend on YouTube where channels centered around horror and spooky stories are earning staggering amounts, up to $30,000 per month. These channels often upload just 3 to 4 videos monthly, with each video garnering millions of views. What's even more remarkable is that many of these channels are faceless, relying entirely on AI-generated content. In addition to ad revenue, the channel owners also rake in additional income from other monetization streams. But how do they make these videos, and can you do the same using AI tools? This guide takes you step by step through creating a faceless YouTube automation channel using AI tools. You'll learn everything you need to launch your channel and start earning, from setting it up to designing eye-catching logos and banners. Discover how to craft compelling stories, generate realistic AI voiceovers, and create engaging videos with visuals and background music. Additionally, you'll master editing techniques and thumbnail creation to make your content stand out. With this comprehensive approach, you can efficiently build a professional YouTube channel and tap into its earning potential, all without appearing on camera. To create a YouTube channel, visit youtube.com and sign in using a Gmail account. If you don't already have one, create a Gmail account and then proceed to create your YouTube channel. Navigate to YouTube settings, click on Add or Manage Your Channels, and select the option to create a new channel. If you're struggling to come up with a name, tools like ChatGPT can generate ideas for you in seconds. For instance, you can request 30 spooky story channel name ideas under 15 words and pick one that resonates with you. After choosing a name, confirm and create your channel. Once your channel is set up, the next step is to design a logo that represents your brand. Using free AI tools like Leonardo AI makes this process simple and effective. Begin by adjusting the aspect ratio to 1:1, then type a relevant prompt such as Scary Story YouTube channel logo. The tool will generate several designs for you to choose from. Select the one that best aligns with your channel's theme, download it, and upload it to your YouTube profile. A well-designed logo not only enhances your channel's professional appearance but also establishes a strong visual identity for your brand, making it more recognizable and appealing to potential viewers. To finalize your channel's visual setup, create an eye-catching YouTube banner. Use Leonardo AI to generate a design by setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 and entering a prompt like Scary Story YouTube channel banner. Once the banner is generated, refine it using a design tool like Canva. This ensures it aligns perfectly with YouTube's layout specifications. In Canva, adjust the banner's dimensions and crop it to fit the required size. Personalize it further by adding subtle details that enhance its spooky theme. After completing the adjustments, download the banner and upload it to your YouTube channel. With a professional logo and banner in place, your channel will look polished, inviting, and ready to captivate your audience. Creating your first video is an exciting step. Start by researching trending topics within your niche to maximize your chances of creating viral content. Look for high-performing videos with millions of views to identify themes that resonate with audiences. Use these topics as inspiration, but avoid direct copying to maintain originality. Instead, leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to generate unique scripts. For example, you could request a 1000+ word story on 3 creepy true school lockdown stories. ChatGPT will quickly provide a compelling, copyright-free script tailored to your needs. This approach ensures that your content is fresh and engaging, laying a strong foundation for a video that captures viewers' attention and aligns with their interests. After completing your script, the next step is creating a voiceover. If you're comfortable using your own voice, simply read the script aloud. For a more automated approach, consider AI tools like 11 which provide highly realistic voice generation. Choose a voice style that matches your content, such as a deep, eerie tone for horror stories. Paste your script into the tool, generate the voiceover, and listen to the result. If it meets your expectations, download the audio file for use in your video. This step ensures a professional and engaging narration that enhances your content's overall impact. For visuals, AI tools can again come to the rescue. Ask ChatGPT to provide prompts for generating images that correspond to different scenes in your story. Then, use Leonardo AI to create these visuals. While some creators use a single image throughout their video, incorporating multiple images can significantly enhance viewer engagement. For an extra professional touch, convert the images into video clips using platforms like Runway ML. Upload your images, convert them into short video clips, and download them for assembly in your editing software. When assembling your video, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut are excellent for editing. Import your video clips and align them with the voiceover to create smooth transitions and a cohesive flow. To enhance the atmosphere, add copyright-free horror background music. You can find suitable tracks in platforms like the YouTube audio library. Import the music into your editing software and adjust the volume so it complements rather than overpowers the narration. Once everything flows seamlessly, review your video, make any final tweaks, and export product, ready to captivate your audience with a polished presentation. The thumbnail is a crucial part of your video, as it plays a significant role in capturing viewers' attention, especially in competitive niches like horror. A striking thumbnail can set your content apart and entice clicks. Canva is an excellent, user-friendly tool for creating professional thumbnails. Begin by selecting a spooky or atmospheric image that aligns with your video's theme. Then, overlay bold red text in a scary font to amplify the eerie vibe and highlight key aspects of your story. Ensure the design is clear, impactful, and visually engaging. Once your thumbnail is finalized, download it and attach it to your video during the upload process. A compelling thumbnail can greatly increase your video's visibility and engagement. With your video ready, ChatGPT can help craft an engaging title, description, and tags to optimize for SEO and maximize visibility. A strong title captures attention, while a detailed description provides context for viewers and keywords for search algorithms. Tags further enhance discoverability by aligning your video with related content. Once these elements are ready, with everything in place, hit publish and share your creation with the world. Regular uploads with strategic optimization will help grow your audience and boost engagement. The key to succeeding with a YouTube automation channel lies in consistency and dedication. While AI tools can handle much of the creative work, you'll need to stay committed to producing regular content and refining your process. With time, effort, and perseverance, your channel can grow into a lucrative source of passive income. If you enjoyed this guide, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on starting a successful YouTube channel.